Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. So this is an 18 by 24 inch canvas, and my turntable is decided to turn. I'm going to use a couple color blocks, starting with a yellow and a turquoise. The yellow is going to begin with Tuscan Sun. I have to decide if I'm going to add any more colors. I kind of think I'd like to. I've got a yellow-orange. And I'm contemplating a little bit of a Anita's white metallic. So I'm going to use Frozen, starting with some Cyan-Aqua-PrPg-Pigments. No, it's Vibrant Aqua, my mistake. But I've got Cyan Aqua, and it might be a good idea. Oh, there's not much left. Maybe we'll see if we can get some out. Maybe to make it go a little further, I'll use a little Mustique. I've got Agave blue too. Mustique is a purely primary element, and I love Mustique. And this is the Agave blue, which I'm thinking I'm going back to the turquoise. The Frozen, rather. During Waterlily. For some reason, I really like the idea of the blue velvet. And I'm not completely past the idea of using some dancing fuchsia with it. Parrot wing, which is a really nice blue. Okay, I'm back and this is dry. And I'm not sure where to start, but I'm just going to start. So I'm going to use some periwinkle. And some groovy guava. Some red violet. Being called the Amethyst Queen, but it might be, no, it's Snapdragon. Make sure the little tab on the top is off. Might as well go for the Whispering Wisteria, although it's pretty close to the red violet. I'm down to the end of my dancing fuchsia. just spewed all over everything. Bummer. So I'll try and clean that up with a little bit of Waterlily. Some Wild Orchid. Finish up with Pink Carnation. Some Jasmine. Wow, that is so similar to the Groovy Guava. I've been trying to resist the orange, but I can't. Come on out. It's Orange Crush. And where there's Orange Crush, there is often saffron. I'm going to try and hold back on the yellow. And I thought about putting some black in there, but I'm not sure what kind of good idea that is. Get some bottles out of the way. I think a little more of that saffron right there. Along with the Orange Crush. I didn't put any Anita's White Metallic in, and I think I should have. So I guess right now I'm going to take a chance and do it anyway. I want that paint off of there. I've got the perfect tool for it. Possible exception if I see a filament hanging off the front, so I didn't clean my blade edge well enough. Put that down. Clean that off. Well, I see a stain from the Snapdragon, so I'm going to try and find it again. Use a bunch more of it. I like the little cells I'm seeing from this, from the Anitas. And I'll fix what needs to be fixed as it needs to be fixed. If that's the way it's going to work, I want some more ginger flower. Right there. I need either a clean spatula or to clean this one off. So maybe I'll try and clean this one off. And I'll wipe it off. And dry it off. Come on. Paper towel, go back in position. Alright, here goes nothing. I'm a little nervous. Probably out of frame, I'm sorry about that. I need that extra paint. I like all of that though. That's nice, that cleaned up well, comparatively. Fill in my little gap. I'm gonna have to go back over this, and I'm not sure I want to. But maybe if I put some more Snapdragon in there, I'll be happier. And I could even blow that into place. Maybe a little red violet with it doesn't hurt anything. Make sure my spatula is dry. And I lifted. Try not to leave my spatula hanging out over the painting. Kind of like that. I had intended on putting more texture in this, but I'm not sure that's going to happen right now, at least. I'm thinking about just dribbling some color. I could do something down here. I kind of like this a lot. I'm thinking about taking the red violet and hurting the end of my nail art tool so it melds. Kind of like some orange, but I'm not sure yet about that. Loving those cells. Come on, Orange Crush. I like that too. I keep feeling like I should do something down here. I've got some Liquitex iridescent medium. I'm going to grab my Dancing Fuchsia Cell Activator. I think I'm going to mix a little bit of white metallic in there also. Might be kind of weird. I want to drop this dancing fuchsia right in the middle. I think I'm done. I think it's pretty simple. I want to put a black line in though. I hope I don't change my mind about liking that. I like it, especially the cells. Yep, that'll work. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions. It will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, Volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.